Hello everyone, I am Pratana Nagesh from GCI Mudikere, Zone 14. Today I am here with the famous South Indian foods. There are typically vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes for all 5 states. Additionally, all regions have typical main dishes, snacks, light meals, desserts and drinks that are well known in their respective region. Karnataka has a very diverse cuisines. Some of the most traditional South breakfast preparations like idli, vada and masala dosa. Rotis are made up of rice and rice flour. We can eat it with chutney along with side dishes. You can take delight in Udupi, Malnad, Mangaluru, Kodagu, North and South Karnataka dishes which are worth realizing. The North Karnataka cuisines include something like jolad roti. These rotis are enjoyed with some spicy and mouth-watering curries, namely Badanekai Palya, and it is also famous in Uttar Karnataka. In Karnataka, they served Baladele Unta which contains idli, vada, rice sambar, dosa, kesribath, chutney, kadbu, sevre, vegetable sides at the end. They have Baladele mixture. In Koragi, rice-based preparations like kadambatu, steamed rice dumplings and rice rotis. Karnataka cuisines includes a wide variety of sweets. Belagavi Tunda, Mysore Pak, Holige, Dharwad Peda and all most popular sweets. Some typically breakfast dishes include masala dosa, ragi roti, akki roti, wangi bath, tomato bath and upma. Lunch items include tili sambar, rasam, gojju, rice, bisibele bath, kosumbri, masoor gojju. Snacks items include kodbale, chakuli, nippattu, gobi bhaji. Children enjoy tangy tongue chingari. Churmuri or mandaki are popular snacks for evening. So I am saying that once you try this, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Junior JC Sakshi. I am going to present before you the food style of the South Indian state Kerala. Kerala is well known for its natural beauty as well as Kerala food is always fresh and flavored. The cuisine of Kerala offers a multitude of both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes prepared using fish, poultry and red meat with rice, a typical accompaniment. Chilies, curry leaves, coconut, mustard seeds, turmeric, tamarind and asafoetida are all frequently used. Kerala is also known as land of spices. The food of Kerala is added with coconut stuff and coconut oil. Generally, the Kerala food items is served to the guests on a banana leaf. Sadi is one of the important recipes of native Keralians. Kottu curry, tangy rasam are the famous dishes. Banana chips are very famous here. Paisam is an item of Kerala special sweets. Tapiko, fish curry, kappa and neem curries are other delicious non-vegetarian dishes. Idiyappam with curry, irseri, parippu curry, dosa ghee roast with Kerala style sambar, Nadan kozi vruttu, Kerala style prawn curry, karineen, poli chattu, Kerala style fish moli, Nadan beef, Talaseri biryani, Malabhar parotha are the most exotic Kerala cuisine. Kerala is home to numerous lip-smacking and mouth-watering dishes. Thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Shravya. Today I'll tell you about North Indian style food. First I'll tell you of North Indian states. North Indian states include Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi, Bihar, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, etc. So, some famous food of North India is dal bhat kurma, dal mixed dal, gulab jamun, biryani, chicken tandoori and chicken butter, pin, Kashmir pulao, and etc. Dal bhat kurma is the famous food of Rajasthan. Chicken tandoori and chicken butter is the famous food of Punjab. To make chicken butter, we use butter. For the to make chicken tandoori, we use roasted chicken. Kashmiri pulao is the famous food of Jammu and Kashmir. To make Kashmiri pulao, we use some rice, dry fruits, and and we used to make mixed dal is some batanis like that. And gulab jamun. Gulab jamun is the famous food of Delhi, and biryani is also a famous food of Delhi. To make gulab jamun, we use some dry fruits. Thank you JCI India to give me this wonderful opportunity to talk about North Indian style food. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, myself Aniketana, the Secretary of Junior JC Mudigere. Today I am talking about North Indian foods. Poha. Poha is famous in Madhya Pradesh from Maharashtra. Poha recipe is made in different ways. Corn poha, poha content is bhature. It is famous in Uttar Pradesh. The food originated in north regions of India, subcontinents, mainly in Dal Kachori, popular in Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. Most popular filling consists of yellow moong dal, besan flour, pepper, chili and honey. Like it's called kheer in Hindi, paisa in Kannada and paisam in Tamil. It's a type of dessert and it's also used in traditional functions. It is made by milk and sugar. Aloo parota. Parota is also a major dish in North India. There is a types in parota like aloo parota, naan butter parota, etc. Paneer masala. It is a side dish of curry. It can be used by parota, rice, chapati, etc. As a side dish, it is made by using paneer, which is made by dal makhani. It's also called as queen of North India. It is made of black pork, urad dal, samosa. Samosa is popular snack from Central Asia. It is most used while traveling and it is also famous snacks in North India. It can be fried or baked and has outer crust made of plain. Pani puri or golgappa. It is also called as gupchup in North. It is also India's most common street food. It consists of a round or ball-shaped hollow puri filled with mixture of flavored water, tamarind chutney, chili, chaat masala, and potato, chickpeas.
I'm a JGC K. Rani Chandrasekhar from JCI Mudigere Zone 14. Today I am talking a few words about the Western Indian food. Let us know the importance of that.
Modaka is an Indian sweet dumpling believed to have originated in the state of Maharashtra. In India, modaka is prepared in a variety of ways and it is known under various names. Depending on the region, it is also referred to as Matagyan or Kuzukata in Tamil, Modaka or Kadubu in Kannada or Kudumu in Telugu. The ingredients, preparation and cooking methods also depend on regional difference. However, the most common variety is called Ukadiche Modaka, the steamed variety made with rice flour and filled with a sweet combination of grated coconut and jaggery. A traditional Maharashtra dish, Zunka Bakri, is a sabzi made with chickpea or besan flour. It is a flavor mixed with red chili, curry leaves and turmeric stirred in water together and cooked with mustard seeds, cumin seeds, ginger, garlic and chilies. Zunka Bakri is popularly prepared as a side dish is accompaniment to bajra roti.
Watching my videos and listen